Hello and good morning. This is Troy with the Reichert Mortgage Team again, bringing you your Mortgage Market Monday. We hope you had a great weekend and wanted to make sure that we give you this information right away to the beginning of the week. Just as a reminder, we are a broker, so that's an advantage usually for folks that are looking to do some home financing. We are statistically lower on interest rates for you and would love an opportunity to talk about anything that you might need. We have many different loan options here. In this video, we'll be talking about just three of them. We talked about VA, conventional, and FHA loans, and going over those interest rates. As a reminder, also, interest rates can and sometimes do change multiple times a day, at least once a day, but sometimes multiple times a day. This particular scenario that we go over every week is a $450,000 purchase price, primary residence, single family home on a 30-year fixed, just so we can kind of keep that in mind as well. So without any further ado, here we go. We have a VA purchase, 660 credit score, okay? No money down, 6.125 interest rate. Again, 6173 to 6511 APR, depending upon that VA funding fee and where that's landing for you out there, okay? Estimated monthly payment of 3,084 and change to 3,182 and change. Again, that VA funding fee does affect the monthly payment if indeed it's financed into a loan, which 99% of the time it is. Conventional purchase, 720 credit score, 10% down, 6.918 interest rate with a 7,155 APR. Monthly payment estimate of 3,109.96. FHA purchase, 660 credit score, just like the VA, minimum 3.5% down on that product, 6.464 interest rate with a 7,534 APR. Again, that APR is higher on FHA because of the upfront and the monthly mortgage insurance on that particular product. So the estimated monthly payment on FHA is 34.38 and change as well. So compared to last week, looking into this week, right now on Monday, it is slightly higher, not too much different, just slightly higher. And really what's going on here is some inflationary numbers. That's really been driving the market here recently, and no change from last week to this week. Slight change in inflation. Prices are still going up slightly. So the mortgage world is following suit. There's not a direct correlation sometimes between inflation and the market in the mortgage world, but it is indeed taking some of that information and carrying it over and bleeding it over into the market for the mortgages. Mortgage-backed securities are kind of near this bottom of an important support level. If it dips below, we could see interest rates rise here in the future. The Fed isn't speaking for about another month or so, so there is a quiet there. So we're really going to be following and looking at some of those economic markers that are coming around instead of the Fed report. So we'll keep a close eye on that for you. If you want to know some more, we would love to be a part of the education process and come up with a clear mortgage plan for you to make sure that it's the best fit for you. Some people like to shoehorn you into something that doesn't make sense. We're not about that. We're about making sure that it takes care of you and your family. Our contact information is right there for you. Please give us a call, text, or email, and we can get that plan started for you, whether it's you're looking today, next month, next year. We want to make sure that we're starting that process. The earlier you start and get that information, the better. I'm Troy with the Reichert Mortgage Team. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.